You write this. But your computer? It doesn't understand English, Python, or JavaScript. It only speaks one language, binary. So how does your code actually get read? Let's break it down. Here's the issue. You write in high-level languages like Python or Java because they're human-readable. But your CPU? It only understands machine code, pure zeros and ones. So something has to translate your code into binary. That's where the magic happens. It all starts with your source code. This is what you write and save in a file. Plain text, human-readable. But to the computer, this is just a text file. It needs to be processed. First step, lexical analysis. Think of it like breaking a sentence into words. The code is scanned and split into tokens, keywords, variables, symbols. Each piece is identified and categorized. Now the computer knows what each part is. Next, parsing. The tokens are organized into a structure called an abstract syntax tree. It's like a blueprint showing how everything relates. The computer now understands not just the words, but the grammar, the syntax of your code. Now comes the translation. This happens one of two ways. Compiled languages like C++ take that tree and translate everything into machine code at once. One complete translation. Interpreted languages like Python translate line by line, in real time as the program runs. Each instruction gets converted on the fly. Finally, machine code reaches the CPU. Pure binary instructions. Each binary pattern is a specific instruction. Move this data. Add these numbers. Display this text. And just like that, your code runs. So that's the journey. From human-readable code to tokens, to syntax trees, to machine code, to execution. All happening in milliseconds every time you run a program.
Subscribe to Sanzu for more.